Hi guys, this is Sujit from Tutenerd, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can have IDM, which is Internet Download Manager, for free, and you can use it forever without getting into craps like downloading patch or versions which are filled with some sort of viruses and all. So you can do it without getting into all of that. Let me show you how it's done. So first you'll have to go to Google and download the IDM from the official website. IDM download. You can search this. You'll get the link of the official website, which is Internet Download Manager. Get the latest version. So if you click here, download IDM, you will get a trial version which will run on 30 days for free. As you can see here, use Internet Download Manager for 30 days for free of cost. So what you will do, you'll download it, you can use it for 30 days, and on the 31st day it will ask you to get the license and basically pay for it. So what you can do is you can reset this trial version of 30 days month after month. So to do that, you don't have to get into C drive and look for options on how you can reset the trial version, because IDM is very smart and basically smarter than average user, and you cannot really do that by getting into C drive and downloading or checking the files of IDM in the C drive. So what you can do is you can get the software which is downloaded by some developer from GitHub. You can write something like IDM trial reset, and you'll get a link of GitHub. GitHub is a very famous site. If you are a developer or you know someone who is a developer, they must know this website. You can click on this link and you can see IDM trial reset here. It's available for public. Just scroll down and see for a download option. As you can see, you can get the latest version of this particular software by clicking. So just click here, scroll down, you'll see a zip file right here. Click on it and download the zip file. Just click, as you can see, I'm using the IDM software to download the file. And also this one is basically the trial version which I'm using. I just keep on resetting it uh, every 30 days. So let's open the folder. Now you can extract it from here. Use WinRAR or any other software. Extract file and do it on desktop. Okay. Now if you go on desktop, you'll see the trial reset option. As you can see, IDM trial reset. Just click on it, go to trial reset option and click on reset the IDM trial now. Keep this automatically checked. Now click on IDM reset trial. It will do its work at the back end. You don't have to worry about it. Just wait. So basically what it does is it resets the version to 30 days and gives you 30 days to use the software for free. And you can do this every 30 days. You have this software on your PC. You don't even have to go and download it every 30 days. You can keep it safe in your local drive. And after every 30 days or 20 days, whatever you find convenient, you can just click here and click on this reset the IDM trial. As you can see, you have 30 days trial now, so I can use the IDM software 30 days freely without worrying about anything. And if I go to IDM now, and let me show you the download option which I already have shown you. And if I go to my IDM, I can show you that I'm not using any patch or anything. Let me go to IDM, Internet Download Manager. If I go to registration, it will ask me for this all registration, but I am using the trial version. As you can see, it should be somewhere around here. Let's look for about IDM unregistered version, of course, and here you can see that I'm using the trial. So every 30 days you will get this pop-up and you just have to do the option which I have just shown you. So this is how you can use it forever. I hope this video was useful to you, and if it was, you can hit like or maybe subscribe, because I do make these kind of videos quite frequently. I hope you have a good day. Thank you. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.